Well, bread pakora is what I love to have with a hot cup of tea, especially for a rainy, cozy day. Today's amazing recipe is a secret recipe. And since now it will not be a secret anymore, let's start. Hey, my beautiful super foodies out there. This is Manisha, and you're watching Simplify Your Cooking. Today's our amazing recipe is. Let's start. So, my super simple recipe will help you to make street style crispy bread pakora at home. So, let's start the recipe by making a paste, and for that, we just need to have 4 to 5 green chilies, 2 inches of ginger, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, and just make a dry paste without adding water. So look at the texture, our beautiful green dry paste is ready now, and keep it aside. So let's jump to the next step, and for that we just need to have 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Keep the flame on low to medium. Add some cumin seeds, around 1 teaspoon, asafoetida around half a teaspoon, and mix both of them, and it will give an amazing flavor to this mixture. Now add that green paste we made and mix it very well. Along with this, we have to add some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder will give the beautiful yellow color to the mixture. At this point of time, I am taking some fresh peas, around 2 tablespoons, and if in case you don't have fresh peas, you can take the frozen also. Now at this stage, to cook the peas, we have to add some water, and I am adding just 2 tablespoons of water here. Mix it very well, and after that you have to add boiled potatoes. So just mash it like this, and you have to add around 4 to 5 potatoes here. And now it's time to season up it with some amazing spices like red chili powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala, which is whole spice mix, around 1 teaspoon, and chili powder you can add as per your taste. Here I am adding salt to taste, and just you have to mix it very well. Well, this is my secret, and I usually add some cottage cheese with this mixture at this point of time. So just grate it like this and mix it very well. Just need to add some dry mango powder. I am adding around 1 teaspoon here, and mix it so well. Our stuffing mixture is ready. You can add some fresh coriander also, and side by side we just need to have some bread slice on our chopping board. We need to have 4 slices like this of bread, and apply this potato stuffing on 2 of them. You can apply green chutney or tomato ketchup on the rest of the slices, and now you just have to spread this potato mixture over the slice of this bread and put a cottage cheese slice over it. Cover it nicely with another slice of bread. You just need to press it like this so that 2 slices of bread can completely stick to each other with the help of the potato stuffing. Cut them into 2 halves, and you can give any kind of shape you like. It's a fun, isn't it? You can make it in advance and keep it in the fridge if you have any kind of occasion and party at your place. Now in a bowl, take almost 1.5 cup of gram flour. Add some salt if you want to. Otherwise, you just can add some water and make a thick batter. So beat it so well so that the lumps can be removed. Now it's time to season this batter with some red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, asafoetida pinch of, and baking soda also, so that it can be very fluffy, and carom seeds you have to add so that this gram flour will be easy to digest to our stomach. Mix it so well. If you want to add some water here, you can add. Mix it very well. We just don't need any kind of lumps here. Just look at the consistency. That is not the final consistency. After keeping it for rest, we have to add some more flour into it So make it crispy. You just need to add some rice flour, around 1.5 tablespoon. I am taking rice flour here. If needed, add some water too. And now at this point you just need to mix it so well. So look at the consistency here, it's so beautiful. We want thin layer on a bread so that the bread cannot soak extra oil. By the time, heat up the oil for deep frying in a kadai or a wok and check if the oil is ready by adding a drop of the batter. If the batter starts sizzling and comes gradually on the surface, the oil is ready. Take the entire sandwich in your hand and dip it in the besan batter. Coat the stuffed bread sandwich evenly with the besan batter. Be gentle with the sandwich and take care not to keep the stuffed bread sandwich a long time in the besan batter as it can be break. It just need to be coated, that's it. Place the bread very gently into the hot oil. Add 2 or 3 pieces of bread pakora depending on the size of the kadai, but do not overcrowd the kadai or pan because it will low down the temperature of the oil. Well, now when one side is lightly golden and gently turn over and fry the second side also. Be careful when turning over as these are heavy. Likewise, fry them with both the sides, and here our beautiful golden bread pakoras are ready to serve. You can put it on the kitchen paper towel immediately after removing it from the oil. Otherwise, you can have it as it is. Just cut them into two. Pakora basically pairs nicely with a coriander or mint chutney. It also tastes delish with sweet dipping sauce like tomato ketchup or sweet tamarind chutney also. And you can also serve with a ginger tea or masala tea for evening chai experience. So have it, make it and experience a good evening with this bread pakora. Do like, share and subscribe this channel if you really like the video. Do take a very good care of yourselves. Till then, bye bye.